At last, Tony Abbott has a target to take to the Paris climate change talks. Australia will promise to cut its emissions on 2005 levels by 26 to 28% by 2030. The Prime Minister says he's had to balance the economic cost versus the environmental cost of acting. But the economic cost turns out to be incredibly low. We can work it out from Abbott's own description of the economic modelling. The economic modelling suggests that the kind of reductions Abbott is offering will cost the economy between 0.2 and 0.3% of GDP in the year 2030. Now that's not 0.2 to 0.3% per year. That we'd notice. It's how much in 15 years' time. But in 15 years' time, the economy itself will be 1.5 times as big as it is today. By then, the Australian economy will be worth 2.4 trillion instead of 1.6 trillion. It'll be half as big again. Now, the difference that Tony Abbott's climate action will make is $8 billion. When rounded, the economy would be worth 2.4 trillion instead of 2.4 trillion. There's no noticeable difference. And also probably not a difference that you can feel. By then the Australian economy will be growing so fast, it'll make up the difference in 6 weeks. That's right, 6 weeks. So you need to ask yourself this question. Would you really mind feeling as good today as you did 6 weeks ago? If the answer is yes, you've nothing whatsoever to fear from action on carbon.